going? Hi, Benjamin. No. Where are you guys going? Where are you going? Huh? What? You're gonna go find candy?
Yeah.
I don't know if there's any candy out here.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any candy.
What candy?
It's not even Easter. It's not Easter. What are you doing?
Hi.
It's in the middle of August.
Yeah.
Where are you going? You're still looking for candy?
Yeah.
I don't think there is any candy out here, but you could go ahead and try to find some. You still gonna try to find some candy? That's not candy. That's a ball. That? What, on the grass? There's nothing on the grass. Are you pretending? Oh, that's the pool?
Yeah.
There's candy inside the pool?
Yeah.
Okay, go show me where the candy is, okay? Where's the candy? Let's go. Candy?
Yeah.
Where? Where's the candy? I don't see any candy inside the water. Where? That's not candy. Wait, there's candy over there? Let me see. Where? Where's the candy?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
That's a flower. That's a flower. That's a flower. It's not candy. I don't see any candy over here. Still gonna try to look for some more candy? Where's the candy? There's no candy inside here. Hey, Tony, where's the candy? Show me where the candy is. Ow. Where's the candy?
It's gone.
It's all gone?
It's away.
What?
It's gone.
It flew away?
Yeah.
What?
It's away.
Want me to help you look for some candy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah.
You gonna lay there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking for some candy. Can't find any candy. Benjamin, are you licking the water off the bucket? Ew. You guys are so silly.